Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to apologize in advance for the background music. It's because my husband is downstairs playing guitar and it happens to be on the amp, so it's going to be a little bit loud. But today we're going to be doing a unboxing. I'm going to be doing Boxycharm and Ipsy. I've got two Ipsy bags to open with you guys, and it's actually from the month June and July. And I also have my July Boxycharm box to open with you guys. So first we're going to start out with Boxycharm, because you guys already know I don't have the base box anymore. I only have the premium, and this premium actually feels kind of heavy. I already have my Ipsy bag for this month, but I'm going to wait until the Boxycharm for this month comes in, and then I'll film that video for you guys this month, so that way we can do a little catch up. That's why I'm doing July and June right now. I'm trying to finish that up, so that way we can, you know, stay in order, stuff like that. So here is my Boxycharm. It's actually really heavy, so I'm kind of curious what's inside. I'm hoping that it's something good, because, you know, I'm tired of disappointment after disappointment, so. Ooh, it's big, and doesn't say anything special on the inside. Oh god, already right off the top I see something huge, and this foamy thing sometimes gets in the way. So I'm just gonna, wow, I don't even know where the little price pamphlet is gonna be, but as I go through each product I will put the price somewhere up here, so that way you guys can, you know, see it. So first I've got the Morphe and Manny MUA Glam Palette. This is what it looks like. It's actually big. I'm not really a fan of Manny, to be honest. But it seems like Morphe does a lot of like collabs with makeup artists and stuff like that. As you can tell, you know, Jeffree Star, Jaclyn Hill, James Charles, Manny, so on and so on and so forth. So I want to see what this looks like. I'm gonna open it up real quick so we can take a glance, because I'm doing this with one hand. I like the marble look. It's alright. Ooh. Okay. This is actually nice. Let me get rid of this. So this is what the palette looks like. This is actually really nice. Closest to my hand are these really cool looking neutrals. I like that. I'm a sucker for neutrals. And it looks like it comes with two highlighter shades and a mixture between, you know, the shimmers, satins, and mattes and stuff like that. So cool. So this is just an eyeshadow and highlighter palette. Okay, I like that. I'm happy when I get makeup products. Let's see, what else we got here? We also got this Brow Bar Hollywood Icon palette. Let's see, comes with a bronzer, translucent powder, 2 blush, 2 highlighters, 4 eyeshadows, and 1 brush. Okay, I'm gonna open this up so we can all see this. So here is what it looks like, and oh my gosh, I really like that. This is really cute, and it's really good travel size. Like, you guys, it's, you know, about the size of my hand. It's really good for traveling with, and you know, it comes with this little brush. One side is flat and the other side is like a blending kind of brush. But I really like these shades. These are actually very good, you know, kind of like everyday shades. So I really like this. Yay, more makeup. I'm happy when I get makeup. So I'm actually going to set this down so that way I can go over this. The next product is the Fully Fire, what is this? Expensive Habits. It doesn't say what it is. Oh, that's the brand. It's called Folly Fire. Foley, whatever. So these are creamy matte lipsticks, and it's a trio. So I've got 3 different shades. I've got, well, all it says is matte manipulation. I don't know what shade it is, so I'm gonna see if I can. Here are the 3 matte lipsticks, and here are the shades underneath. So, okay, I like that. Interesting, very interesting. I'm not really like a huge lippy kind of person. Matte lipsticks, I'm more of like a liquid lipstick kind of person versus like a stick lipstick kind of person. I feel like that's like so back in the day, but you know, I don't mind. But I like that color scheme though. It's more like on the berry shade kind of thing. So next product, this is the Nelson Beverly Hills Moisture Healing Mask. Argan Oil 7 formula delivers a combination of multi-benefits. It detangles, oh, it's for your hair. Oh, okay. I thought this was like a body product, but this is actually for your hair. Detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair color fading. I like that. Seals split ends and protects from chlorine and salt water. It also restores silkiness and shine, enhances natural body, and it's coconut scented, which is my favorite. I love anything coconut scented. So, kind of wondering, how do you use this? Okay, so you'll leave it on like wet hair and then you'll rinse it out. This is probably good to like leave in your hair also. So, it's sealed up. I actually want to smell this. If I can get this thing off. Oh, it smells so good. That smells really, really good. Okay, next product. I have, ooh, this one's heavy. What is this? This is the, how do you say this? I don't know how to say this, but this is what it's called, and it says New York Bitter Green Essence Toner. Ooh, I like face toners. Let's see. Directions. After cleansing, gently sweep the toner over your face and neck using fingertips. Apply morning and night. Can be used daily. Ooh, this is my first time actually getting a toner, so this is interesting, and it feels expensive. Oh my gosh. It's a very thick plastic bottle. It's not a very like liquidy, like watery liquidy. It's got like a, what do you call it? Some viscosity to it. You know what I mean? It's like thick, not too syrupy in a way. It's got texture. So this is nice. I'm kind of wondering what this smells like. It smells clean. It's like really clean, like something, it's like when you first get out of the shower and you're just moist and dewy, kind of clean. You know what I mean? So I really like this. This is nice. We're getting some really good products in this box this month. Like, what is going on? All right, last but not least, I believe this is the last product. And I'm surprised I don't have like a sheet that's got all the prices on it. So I'm just gonna end up having to look it up online. I hate doing that. Ugh, so let's see. This is the Cuticle Revitalizing Oil. It's milk and honey. Oh, cool. This is cool. Apply 1 drop of cuticle revitalizer to each cuticle and massage gently. Ooh, this is different. I've never had anything like this before. As you can tell, my nails are like really long right now, and these are my natural nails. Like, they grow really, really long, and they're very strong. I have very strong like nails. They grow really fast when they do get this long. It really didn't take me that long to grow them this long, so this is really, really nice. And I don't like to go do my nails often, just because I work a lot with my hands, and it would be a waste of money to get my nails done and then have them break or get in the way, because I use my hands a lot. I work with my hands, and so I don't have time to get my hands all pretty and stuff. But you know, I don't have ugly hands. I don't have dry hands. I have very small fingers, like very narrow fingers. I don't have chunky fingers, and I've got really pretty nails. So, you know, even though my nails are this long, it's actually hard for me to type. So I really like this. This is so pretty. Oh, and it's slanted. I thought it was like crooked in the box, but it's like, you can either set it like this, but it also has like this, kind of like that. So that is so cool. I really like it. I actually want to smell it. Does it smell like, Oh my god, that smells really, really good. Woo. Wow, I'm curious to know how much this cost. Milk and honey. Luxury spa. Wow. Okay, I really like this. So that is it for our Boxycharm box. I will give you guys the total right up here. And so now we're going to be moving on to our 2 Ipsy bags. Okay, so first I'm going to start out with the June Ipsy bag, which looks like this. It's very summery. It's got, you know, all the girls on their towels in different skin colors. I love that, love that. It comes with this little thing in there, but I don't really know what it does. It doesn't tell you what all the products are, but I don't really need it anyways, because, I mean, I paid $12 for, you know, the basic Ipsy bag, and it comes with 5 sample size like products. Really perfect for trying out for the first time, which I really like. That way I don't feel like I'm wasting money on anything really. So I really like that. So let's see, what is this? This is the Pout on Point Pop Beauty. What is this? Ooh. Oh, okay, it's a lip product. Let me move this up a little bit. So this is a lip product, like a lip liner, or you can actually use this as a lipstick as well. It's really cute. I want to know what color it is. Oh, it is like a lipstick. It's like a lip crayon almost. That's what the shade it's in. Really, really like that. And it's not even a sample size product. It's a full size product, like literally. Next, I'm going to put this down here. Next, I have, ooh, this is a Kat Von D translucent powder, setting powder. So this is, you know, obviously a travel size product. It's a sample size product. I really like this because then I will know for sure, you know, I will be purchasing this later on in a larger size. And next, I have this Azuline Soothing Cream by Sir Medic, and I believe this is a, doesn't say where I can use this cream, but it's supposed to be like a really, okay, you use it on your face. So at the last stage of your evening skincare routine, smooth gently over irritated area or entire face. So it's like a medicated like moisturizer pretty much. And this is a Shayna B Miami. This is a eyeshadow duo in Winewood and Heat. Ooh. Oh, ooh, that's pretty. That's really, really pretty. So that's a really good like base shade, and this is like a really good all over the lid shade. I really want to know. Oh my god. Wow, that's like, it like, when you dip your finger into it, it like melts. So, oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I really like that. And I like that it's like flamingos. Flamingos, not flamingos. And then last but not least, actually, I think I have this is a full size product. This is a Pacifica highlighter and blush in the shade Rose Gold and Cherry Spirit. So this is a cherry gold highlighter and blush duo. And it has a mirror on the back side. And this is actually really cool. I've been looking at some of their products, and they have a lot on there. They don't just have makeup, they have like body products, hair products, like all different kinds of products. So it's really hard to narrow down like what you really want, but every time I get like first time products from any of these subscriptions, it really makes me feel obligated to just go on their websites and just buy more. And obviously when you like sign up with these subscriptions, you also get membership discounts on these websites, so you don't have to like pay full price for anything. You can pay for everything at a discount, which is great. So this is the blush and this is the highlighter. I definitely really like this. This is something that I definitely use. So love, 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 love. Like, Ipsy has not let me down yet. Not yet. And so next we're gonna move on to July's bag, which is here. This is so cute. This is called Escape, and it's like a kind of like a beach bag kind of look. Let's see. This was my product choice that I picked. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Lip Butter Lip Liner. And the reason why I chose this out of everything else is because I've been wanting to like buy some Thrive Cosmetics things, because I want to do a separate video on that. Just because I feel like I've been seeing it so much on ads, and it's just one of those things where it kind of just makes me want to buy it. Like ads that make you buy stuff. So this is what it looks like. I've heard a lot of good things about Thrive, so I'm not gonna like really show you guys too much of that, just because I want to do a video on it later on. Next, I have this full Tell Me Your Wish cute pretty much hand cream. Okay. And then I also have the skin cleansing cream, anti-pollution face wash. Definitely gotta try this tonight because I do have a full face of makeup on. And next I have this Naked Cosmetics. It looks like a loose eyeshadow. Very loose, actually. Very similar to like the color I have on my eyelid now, actually. Let's see, this is in the shade Naturally Nude. Cute, super cute. I don't really use a lot of loose eyeshadows, so I'm gonna save that for like a, you know, really nice night out or something like that. And last but not least, I have this product by The Balm Cosmetics, which I've been really loving. Their small compact size like little things. I've got like their eyeshadows. I have some like different shades of their blushes, and this is actually another shade of blush that I just got in. This is called Will Powder, which is funny because I think that's what the guy's name is. That's what it's supposed to be. His name is Will. His little shirt says, "Hello, I'm Will." I wish you guys could see that. There, you see it? It says, "Hello, I'm Will." That's pretty much, oh my gosh. So this is in the shade Perseverance, sorry. And it actually has a little bit of a shimmer to it. So I can't wait to try this soon. Soon. But yeah, this concludes my unboxing video. It's gonna be a little bit short, I know. Not too much to unbox this time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video because we've got a lot of new makeup, like a lot of new makeup. So until next time, bye.